Hello, everybody. Welcome to Statistics and Theory. I'm delighted to present a series of videos on how to use R, the RStudio package, which is a free package which allows you to run a wide array of statistical and psychometric analyses. So let's get started. In this video, I'm only talking about these concepts and these processes. I will show you how to download the RStudio and R, then configure the interface, open a dataset, create R objects and data frames, install packages, and then open them and do some preliminary data preparation. Okay, so please go to this website, and I'll leave this link for you in the comment section under this video. Go down to download R. I personally am using RStudio Desktop with the free version of it. You can use other versions if you're interested too. So click on download and you will be navigated here. In RStudio Desktop, you should basically install two things. Number one is the RStudio, the R console. If this is version R 3.3.0, if you click on this, you will be directed to this website. Here, please do download R. If you're using a Windows operating system, this is what you should click on. Otherwise, you can use R for Mac or R for Linux. But this is step one. It's very important, and you should install it, because if you do not, then the RStudio will not work properly for you. So this one will have a separate icon on your computer, and if you open that icon, it will look like this. This is the R console, as I mentioned, and you can actually just use this to do any sort of programming and data analysis that you like to do. But personally, I prefer to download RStudio Desktop, and you just click on download RStudio and install it on my computer. That's something that I have done, and it will look like this. It's more user-friendly, and in my personal experience, it's much easier to use. Okay, so that's about downloading RStudio and R. And if you want to operate both, it's a good idea to go back to the same website and ensure that the two versions are compatible. Otherwise, you keep receiving very annoying errors that sometimes you cannot solve. Now, after installing your RStudio and R console on your computers, you need to configure the interface if you like. How do you configure the interface? Now, you might have noticed that our interface of my R might look a bit different from that of yours. It's because I have reconfigured it. So under the workspace panes, click on this and click on pane layout. This will appear. What I have chosen is, as you see, R has got 4 sections, and they haven't represented here. What I have chosen is source, console. So if you click on this drop-down menu, you're provided with a little bunch of options. The options are exactly the same for different sites. It just allows you to tell R where you want to post which side. So I want to include source on this side, on the top left side. So source is there. Console is going to call R. This is the console, but it's going to be installed right here. And under these caps, you can choose anything. Let me see if I can move. Let's move it to the left-hand side. So you can choose anything. I have, for the top one, which is represented here, I have chosen environments, history, connections, and tutorial. For the bottom one, as you see from this window too here, I've chosen plots, packages, help, and viewer. These are really good enough for me. You might want to configure it in a different way that best fits your purposes. After that, click apply and then click OK, and you have your interface. And you can always move around these 4 interfaces and change the size as you wish. Okay, so that's configuring the interface. The next step is opening a dataset, and this is really where Hello, everybody.